Students, let us start with question number 11. And in question 11 it is said that on a handkerchief 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 centimeter, each of radius 7, so its diameter will be 14, another diameter 14, another diameter 14. So the length of the square will be 42. 14 plus 14 plus 14. Find the area of the remaining portion. So the remaining portion I have already shaded for you. बहुत ही easy question हो गया. Area of square minus area of circle. सबसे पहले आपको length of square लिखना पड़ेगा. That will be equal to 3 into diameters. That is equal to 3 into 14 centimeter, that is equal to 42 centimeter. So area of shaded region is equal to area of square ABCD minus area of 9 circles, that is equal to side square minus 9 into pi r square, that is equal to 42 square minus 9 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 and cut. So this will yield you 1764 minus 1386, and that is equal to 378 centimeter square. Let us go ahead with question number 12. Question number 12, again you have you are given a quadrant in figure 12.30. OACB is a quadrant, a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, which is already noted here. OD is 2 centimeter. Find the area of quadrant OACB. First, area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square, that is equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. 1 5 5 1 2 2 1 11. So 35 into 11 divided by 40 will yield you 9.625 centimeter square. Now second bit, area of shaded region. Now to find area of shaded region, we can subtract the area of quadrant from area of triangle. Now as this will be 90 degree, as it is a quadrant, so half, by the formula half base into height, you can find the area of triangle OBD is equal to area of quadrant minus area triangle OBD, that is equal to 9.625 minus 1 by 2 into 3.5 into 2 and 2 cancel, so 9.625 minus 3.5, and this will yield you 6.125 centimeter square. So this was about question number 12. Now let us go ahead with question number 13. So student, we have question number 13 in figure 12.31. A square OABC is a square inscribed in quadrant OPBQ. If OA is 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. See students, if this is 20, this has to be 20, this has to be 20, and this has to be 20. Now if we join OB like this, then by finding the diagonal we can find the radius of this quadrant, because we are not having the radius of the quadrant. So in triangle OAB, by Pythagoras theorem, OA square plus AB square is equal to OB square. Therefore, 20 square plus 20 square is equal to OB square. Therefore, 400 plus 400 is equal to OB square, and thus OB is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Now you got the radius. Now it is very easy. Now you have to simply subtract the square from the quadrant and you will get your answer. So area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant OPBQ minus area of square OABC. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi 20 root 2 whole square minus side square. So that will give you 20 square. 1 by 4. Here you have to substitute the value of pi as 3.14. So 314 by 100 into 400 into 2. 20 root 2 will give you 400 into 2 minus 400. 2 zeros and 2 zeros will cancel here. 1s are 2s are 2 1s are 157. 157 into 4 will give you 628 minus 400, that is equal to 228 centimeter square. So this is question number 13. Let us move ahead with question number 14. A very simple question. This type of question you have already done in sum number 2. See very easily, this is arc and this is the radius. So we can say that it is a sector and this is the smaller sector. So area of shaded region is equal to area of larger sector minus, that is OBA minus area of smaller sector, that is ODC, that is equal to theta by 360 pi r1 square minus theta by 360 into pi r2 square. So that is equal to 30 by 360 into pi will come out as common, 21 square minus 7 square, 1s are 12s are 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 14. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, identity. 7 1s are 7, 4s are 4, 1s are 4, 3s are 22 into 14, 308 divided by 3 will give you 102.66 centimeter square. So this was about question number 14. Let us move ahead with question number 15 now. Another tricky but easy question, though it is a bit tricky for you because such kind of sums you will be doing for the first time, but it is quite easier one. In figure 12.33, that is this figure in your book, is a quadrant. Again ACB is a quadrant with radius 14 centimeter. So radius is 14 centimeter and the semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. So our first work will be to find out this diameter. So in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree. Therefore AC square, or I can write BC square, is equal to AC square plus AB square. So BC square is equal to 14 square plus 14 square. So BC is equal to 14 root 2. You can complete this calculation. Okay. Now the main thing is to find the area of semicircle. and from the area of this semicircle we will subtract this segment, so you can find the area of uh, the shaded region. Or in other terms, you can also do is you can simply add area of circle plus area of triangle and subtract area of quadrant. That also we can do. So that will be more easier for you, I suppose. So I can write area of shaded region is equal to area of semicircle plus area of triangle ABC minus area of quadrant ABC. So this will give you area of semicircle will give you 1 by 2 pi r square. Now this BC is the diameter, so radius will be half of it, so 7 root 2 centimeter, plus area of triangle ABC half into base into height, and area of quadrant 1 by 4 pi r dash square, because this radius is different, this radius is different. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into root 2 square is 2 plus half into 14 into 14, because if this is 90, this becomes base, this becomes height, minus 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14, because radius of this quadrant is 14. So let us just go ahead with it. 2s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 11s are 2 11s are 7 7 cancel. So we get 11 into 7 77 into 2 154 plus 7s are 14 into we get 98 minus 11 into 14 154 154 cancel. 98 centimeter square is your answer. Students, the last question of this exercise, question number 16, and then we shall conclude this chapter. In this question we are given 8 centimeter as the side of a square, 90 degrees is given. You have to find the area of this leaf-like structure. You can't directly find out it because it is not forming any kind of shape, but if I draw the diagonal like this, you can, if you just erase this part from your brain, then you can see that this becomes a segment, this only this area becomes the segment. Right? Now if you find the area of this segment, you can easily multiply 2 and you get the area of both. So for area of segment we need two things: the radius as we have 8 centimeter and the center angle as 90 degree. So it is very simple. Area of shaded region is equal to 2 times area of segment. If I name it BAPC, that is equal to 2 multiply by, write the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus r square sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, that is equal to 2 bracket 90 by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into 8 into 8 is 64 minus 64 sin 90 by 2 cos 90 by 2, 2 into 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 64 minus 64 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. The values of this sin 90 by 2 will be sin 45. So value of sin 45 you can get from trigonometric table, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. that is equal to 2 bracket 1 16 so 16 into 22 will yield you 352 by 7 minus 64 root 2 is 2, so that will cut with this, it will give you 32. That is equal to 2 multiplied by 352. If we take the ratio, if we take the LCM, then we get 224 minus 352 will give you 2 into 128 by 7, that is equal to 256 by 7 centimeter square. So students, this is all about this exercise. Hope you find the sums very easy. If you have any doubt, please do tell me, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.